Today's topic for discussion is Rhizopus rot disease of strawberry. Rhizopus, it is a fungus that causes rot disease of several types of fruits. Strawberry plant, it is a small herb with highly reduced stem. The fruit is highly nutritious. It is the best source of minerals such as phosphorus, calcium and iron. It also consists of vitamin C, niacin, carotene, thiamine, riboflavin and crude fibers. And the strawberry is very commonly cultivated in the tropical and subtropical regions of the world. In India, it is cultivated at Delhi, Nilgiri Hills, and in Marathwada, in Maharashtra, Mahabaleshwar area is very famous for the cultivation of strawberries. Let us see the Rhizopus rot disease of strawberry. Rhizopus, it is a fungus. The fungal spoilage of strawberry also has a negative economic effect on the economy of strawberry farmers in particular and the economy of the country in general. The control of fungal spoilage of strawberry is therefore difficult, and proper storage conditions, careful harvesting, protection of the strawberry from sunburn, provision of adequate ventilation and regular examination during storage will minimize the entry and proliferation of these organisms in the strawberry fruits, thereby reducing the incidence of the disease. They cause and also improve the economy by reducing waste resulting from the spoilages. Let us see which type of symptoms are caused by this fungus. The infected fruit possesses water-soaked spots with irregular margin. Later on, the color of the spots changes to dark brown. Within a short period, the affected area gets covered with a white mycelial mat and sporangiophores, which are dark brown in color and which are visible. See, the photograph is given to the right side. This is the Rhizopus type of fungus infected to strawberries. Let us see the details of causal organism. The rot disease of strawberry, it is caused by Rhizopus stolonifer. This is the name of fungus. It is a causal organism. It causes rot disease of strawberry. The rhizopus that consists of non-septate hyphae and that measure about 6 to 15 mm in diameter. It produces group of sporangiophores and root-like rhizoids. This is the characteristic feature of the Rhizopus stolonifer. Sporangiophore produces sporangia at its tip. Mostly the color of the sporangiophore is brown and is usually unbranched. They can be solitary or form a group. The rhizoids are originated at the regions where the stolons and the sporangiophores are joined. The size of sporangia range between 15 to 350 mm in diameter. Sporangia are spherical with flattened base. The sporangiophores are unicellular, round, ovoid in shape, hyaline to brown in color. According to some plant pathologists, colonies of Rhizopus grow very rapidly. Optimum temperature of Rhizopus stolonifer is 25 degrees Celsius plus minus 2, and it requires 4 days for sporulation. The colonies on potato dextrose agar, that is CDA, Apis cottony. Initially, the color of the colony is white, and at maturity, the entire colony turns grey to yellowish brown in color or dark black in color. Let us see epidemiology of the fungus. The Rhizopus stolonifer is a moldy fungus, and in the air, the pathogen occurs in the air, soil as well as on infected plant material. If fruits or vegetables are damaged in the field by insects, hail or brownie or by any mechanical agency or by strong winds, the fungus can invade the tissue through though tissue. Infected fruits immediately get infected by the fungus. After infection, the fungus produces abundant spores within a few days, and in storage, the spores are released and can infect nearby fruits. Under favorable conditions, the time from infection of the fruit to complete soft rot disease. After infection, the complete fruit get rotted within 4 to 5 days. Okay, and damaged fruits will not hold up in storage, and the fungus sporulates at temperature above 14 degrees Celsius, but the temperature below 25 degrees Celsius causes injury to the fruit. The best management tool is to prevent damage to the fruit in the field by harvesting carefully and avoiding insect damage. If strong winds or even hail damage fruits, and it may be best to use the squash, that is salvageable, as quickly as possible and not keep it in the storage. Let us see the control measures of the rhizopus rot disease. For management, several plant pathologists they have recommended the hot water treatment at 49 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. It has been recommended by Pathak in 1980, and by washing of fruits with water immediately after harvesting minimizes the losses. And storehouses may be kept clean and rotting of fruit may be removed and destroyed. The fruits after harvest should be stored at 10 degrees Celsius or below. Post harvest fruit deep treatment, as in case of anthracnose, can control rhizopus rot disease. The infected fruits get rotted, and after infection management becomes very difficult. Curative methods can reduce the disease intensity. This is all about rhizopus rot disease of strawberry.